So hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this will be a very much awesome series. I am personally very much excited to introduce you to Flutter for Web, as Flutter for Web is now very much stable, right? So we are going to start a tutorial on that, and we are going to learn Flutter for Web, and we are going to develop some awesome web app using Flutter. Right, so let's get started without any further delay. And I have opened my VS Code, and if you face the similar problem that I face, that is when we write here Flutter, then it gives is that Flutter is not recognized and the name of CMD function and this and that. So for this solution is the you have to go where your files are stored, that is where your Flutter is located. So I have installed Flutter in the E drive. So just open this Flutter console from here, and we will type some commands to activate a Flutter for web. So when you click on this Flutter console, then the window will be appeared. So that window will be this window, that is Flutter command palette will be appeared on your screen. So from here you will type certain commands that I will mention, and we are going to execute activate Flutter for web for your PC, right? So let's get started to that. So as you know, Flutter for web is still in the beta version, so we have to activate that beta version. So we'll type here Flutter channel beta, right? So when we type here this will take some certain amount of time. So I have mistaken the channel spelling, CHNL. So yeah, now we'll just wait for the results. Then it will automatically switch our channel to beta, so that we can activate Flutter for web, that is switching to Flutter beta, and all these things Flutter will do automatically, and you don't need to write anything here. Just do as I mentioned. So this process has been completed, and here it is the option that successfully switch to Flutter channel beta. So make sure you also get that the same option, because if you are not getting this, then might be something wrong. So let's just first, for safe reasons, you have to upgrade your Flutter, right? So you have to be on the latest version for activating this web app support to your app. So it will automatically download the Dart SDK and all. This BTS, this is a transfer service that will be automatically run. So guys, let's give this some time. It will take certain amount of time to upgrade your Flutter, right? So just be patient and wait for its completion. And the most important thing I forgot to say, that you must need an better internet connection to for this, because it takes some very much a large amount of time for down, and which downloads very much of data, right? So it has downloaded, and as you can see there, Dart version is 2.11.0, that is the latest version, and Flutter version is 1.23, that is a beta version. So make sure it is this only, and after this you have to just type this command, that is Flutter config enable web. So after typing this command, just hit the enter, and then this will automatically enables web support for your apps. For the time being, we'll just close this one, that is terminal. So yeah, it has set our enable web value to true. So you may need to restart any open register editors for them to read new settings. So you have to just restart the VS Code for once. So I will just do it. So yeah guys, I have just restarted my VS Code, and now I will just minimize this one, and we will work on VS Code only. So let's just create a new Flutter project. We will name it as our first web project. First, the first name will be small. First web, we will name it as this only. We will set a directory to create the project. So let let give this some time so that Flutter can adjust all these things. So now our Flutter project is absolutely ready, and you can see that the below it has automatically detected that Chrome browser is present in my PC. So that if you want to change this to anyone else that is Edge or anything else, then you can do it here, right? So I will just run this project and I will show you how the Flutter first page looks like in the web, right? So let's get started, run it. So it's the same code as Flutter provides us in the app features, right? To building Android and iOS apps. It's a very much same code. So let's wait for the end results. It will automatically download web SDK and all those things it requires. You don't need to pay much attention to it because it will automatically do its work. So as you can see, our project has been run and it is quite a simple web app that shows the addition count, that is increment count. As this app is the similar means this is the same app that Flutter provides for Android apps. Right, so there is nothing much difference. So as you can see, the Flutter has been run and it may fail one or two times launching Chrome, but when it gets proper settings and all those things, then it will get automatically faster. So don't worry about that and stay tuned. We will be conducting a much more Flutter for web series. Right, so stay tuned.